Today, we're delving deeper into the fascinating world of intermittent fasting and uncovering the remarkable effects it has on our cognitive functions and brain health. Intermittent fasting, known for its influence on body composition and metabolic health, extends its benefits to the brain. You may have recently seen how a lot of prominent people push intermittent fasting and doing all of their work in a fasted state. For example, Derek from More Plates, More Dates talks about how he goes on 2-day fasts for the cognitive benefits, and Hamza also talks about similar things. You may be wondering if there's any merit to what they're saying, or if it's just a sort of placebo. Now you'll find out the real effects that intermittent fasting has on the brain and why it's so effective. Research suggests that fasting triggers a range of neurobiological pathways that positively impact cognitive abilities. Intermittent fasting promotes neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. This can positively affect learning, memory, and cognitive flexibility. Studies in animal models indicate that fasting can increase the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein crucial for neuroplasticity. Enhanced BDNF levels contribute to improved synaptic plasticity, promoting a more adaptable and resilient brain. Many individuals who practice intermittent fasting report experiencing enhanced mental clarity, focus, and increased attention span during fasting periods. The metabolic shift from glucose to ketones as a primary brain fuel source is thought to contribute to this mental acuity. Ketones, produced during fasting, are an alternative energy source for the brain. They provide a more stable and efficient fuel supply, potentially enhancing cognitive functions, concentration, and problem-solving abilities. Research suggests that intermittent fasting may also bolster creative thinking and problem-solving abilities. The metabolic changes occurring during fasting might stimulate regions of the brain associated with cognitive flexibility and creativity. Some individuals report experiencing a surge in creative energy and novel ideas during fasting periods, potentially attributable to increased neurotransmitter activity and changes in brain connectivity. Intermittent fasting can also influence emotional well-being by impacting mood regulation. Some evidence suggests that fasting may contribute to reduced stress and anxiety, potentially improving overall emotional health. Fasting triggers changes in neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and dopamine, which are associated with mood regulation. This could explain why some individuals experience an uplift in mood and a reduction in stress levels during fasting periods. Beyond immediate cognitive enhancements, intermittent fasting exhibits promising potential in preserving long-term brain health. Some studies suggest it may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Fasting-induced autophagy, a cellular cleaning process, may remove toxic proteins and damage cells in the brain, potentially reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline. So, the cognitive benefits of intermittent fasting are truly extraordinary, encompassing enhanced brain function, increased focus, and potential protection against cognitive decline. But how can you actually implement all of this? First things first, choose a fasting method that suits your lifestyle. There are various options like the 16-8 method, alternate day fasting, or the 5.2 approach. Experiment to find what works best for you. Plan your meals wisely during the eating windows. Focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods to ensure you get essential nutrients. Keep hydration in mind too. Drink plenty of water and herbal teas. Opt for balanced meals containing protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to maintain energy levels and keep you feeling satisfied throughout the day. Keep track of your progress. Monitor how your body responds to different fasting methods and adjust as needed. If something doesn't work, don't be afraid to tweak your approach. Listen to your body. It'll give you cues about what works best for you. Don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or medical conditions. Finally, you want to remember that you're not fasting because you just want to stop eating for a little bit of time. You are fasting because you want to improve the health of your brain and because you want to be more productive. You don't have to immediately go into day fasts, but you can try easing into longer fasts slowly. If you've enjoyed this video or learned something, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching and see you next time.